So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing and a review on this Amazon Basics cordless stick vacuum cleaner. So let's open it up. Let's see first exactly what comes in the box. We're probably gonna have to charge the battery. We'll get the battery charged, and then we'll see how it cleans on some hardwood floors and on some carpet. All right, here's the cleaning head. This is the brush roller down at the floor. Looks like it's got some LED lights. Here's the actual vacuum cleaner itself. Comes very well packaged. Let's take it out. Looks like the battery is built into it. There's where we're going to charge it. Huh, kind of a neat style. I've never seen that before. Let's keep going in the box. We've got the wand portion. And we've got some attachments. So let's take a look at all the attachments. Big instruction manual. All right, looks like we got a wall bracket. We can hang it on the wall. Got some screws. Here's the crevice tool. Like a pretty standard crevice tool. Multi-purpose tool looks like. Yeah, that slides down. It's got some brushes. Pretty basic. Yeah. Here's the actual vacuum cleaner itself. Oh, I had it upside down. So we got really nice power switches. It fits in your hand nice. Looks like you're going to take it over to the trash can. You're going to hit this button here. There. Okay, so there's two buttons. There's a little black one you're going to press. That's where all the contents come out. Then you've got this one that takes this whole filter assembly out. Now it looks like we got a filter there. I like this, comes apart really easy. That's nice. I like that. You are going to have to rinse that out sometimes, but make sure you let it dry before you reuse it. Fits in there nice. Turn this. We have some sort of filter up there. Oh. There, it's like a filter ring. Looks like it might be sort of HEPA filter. But then there's the foam that goes around the side. So easy to clean. That's paper. You're probably not gonna wanna rinse that part off, but I like that it just sits there. Yeah, it just sits there like this. Then you're gonna take this, put that back on. We're gonna snap this into place. I'm liking this already. It seems very well made. We got a power button. Comes with a lot of charge. Looks like we might have about 3 modes of operation. We're gonna plug this in. Again, looks like if I wanna clean stairs, I can plug this right into here. It is a powered cleaning head. Yeah, it looks like 3 modes of operation. Plug this in here. Yeah. Looks like a nice little stick vacuum cleaner. I like how it fits in your hand. You can put the attachments on. They go on and off real easy. Here's the charging. So you got just a charging cable. You do have a wall mount. You're going to mount this on the wall. Looks like there is a nice spot there to hang it on. And then you are going to have to plug the charger in. That's no big deal. You're going to plug the charger in right here. There's a nice big spot and a cable. So yeah, all in all, this looks really nice. Let's do some quick measurements. And then we're going to see how it cleans. So overall, with it up like this, that's about 44 inches to the top of the handle. Doesn't look like this comes apart too well. All right. Okay, so let's go see how it cleans on hardwood floors and carpet. Okay, so I got a really big mess here. We got some dirt and debris over by the wall. We'll see how it does over there. We got kitty litter that's can be really hard to pick up. And again, it has 3 modes of operation. It has low, medium, and high. I'll try it on low. I may ramp it up to high a little bit. It's actually doing a really good job. All right, let's see how it does up against the wall. Yeah. Okay. It is working really well. Okay, big mess here on carpet. Got dog hair. I got some coffee grounds that kind of get down to the carpet. I was really impressed how it did on the hardwood floors. Let's see how it does on the carpet. I'll put it in high for carpet. Low, medium, high. Okay, so with carpet, it did an okay job. This thing really shines on hardwood floor. I did have to go over it a few more times, but it looks like it did get everything up eventually. So let's go empty it out and see how well it empties out. Okay, so it fits really nice in your hand. I like that you don't have to keep the buttons pressed in order for it to keep working. You simply has a power button and a mode button, and that's it. Then you can just use your hand to move it. Very lightweight. It definitely really shined on hardwood floors. Carpet, not so much, but it did an okay job. So now you could just take this whole vacuum cleaner over to the trash can. You probably are going to disconnect this, but again, it's the little black button right here. Very simple. As soon as you press it, spring door comes out. Did a good job. I love when vacuum cleaners empty out really easy. That's a very easy vacuum cleaner to empty out. Okay, so this vacuum cleaner costs $126. It is only available at Amazon. I actually really liked it. Now, it did struggle a little bit on carpet. It definitely really shined on hardwood floor. I thought that was where it really did the best job. I like the functionality of it. They didn't copy another vacuum cleaner. So a lot of times when Amazon makes their own, this is Amazon's own product, they'll just use somebody else's design. And maybe they did here. I've never seen this design, but I actually really do like this design. I love how easy it is for it all to work. There's nothing really complicated about it. I love that the buttons stay on, very lightweight. Again, is it going to do the best job on carpet? No, it's not going to do the best job on carpet. There are better ones out there. $126, they're probably going to put this on sale. If it got on sale for around $100, it's definitely a buy. If you need something for hardwood floors to kind of keep around the house, you know, keep an extra one in the basement or the garage or something, this would be, but it just works. I really do like that. So again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. Underneath the video, I will put a link to this. I am an Amazon affiliate. If you click on the link, the product won't cost you anymore, but I do get a commission from the sale. Also, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, really appreciate everybody's support. Thanks for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.